Oh, there are 150 companies offering the tools I need. Okay, we are going to choose some of them by the end of this year. Oh, there are 10,000 companies? Help!
Yes?
I can't choose jeans color, and you want me to choose tools for marketing from 10,000 products?
No worries, ma'am. Dashley is ready to help. Follow the link in the description and follow my instructions. We'll choose everything for you and count the necessary budgets.
Marketing tech stack audit template. This document was created to evaluate the software you use and streamline marketing team and other departments' workflow, avoid duplicating tools, functions, control budget. Seems like the world of marketers is saved. If you still want to discover the MarTech tools, especially for the upcoming year of 2023, let's follow this video. So there are 9 trends and principles for 2023 for choosing the MarTech stack. All the trends and principles are quite smart, and here they are. So tools must be all-in-one. The companies move to CRM and conversational platforms instead of different tools for a particular task. Also, tools must be integrated to the maximum. Now the companies opt for API solutions instead of creating the integration themselves. Preferably, there should be a market of integrations, and the integration should be seamless and done with the snap of the finger or actually click on the button. Also, tools must save time with marketing automation. Definitely time is money, and marketers want to automate everything, for example, follow-up emails in the marketing campaign. Next, vital important thing is collecting data without cookies tech. So business is moving to a cookieless future. That means that marketing teams should be ready to understand the customer behavior without using cookie, which means they're going to use third-party applications and some other special technology that doesn't use cookie, but still gives an opportunity to understand the customers. So the marketers are going to use the customer data platforms like chatbots, pop-ups, newsletters, polls, surveys, etc. Next thing, you're going to increase the interest in video content and include video in your marketing strategy. Definitely you're not the only one who loves TikTok and YouTube. Your customers are not an exception. They're also waiting for the videos from your company, so include them in the content plan. No-coding tools are also becoming pretty much popular. So thanks to visual builders, you're going to create quite many of the things like chatbots, pop-ups, and even social media integration. Previously, you had to be a developer to do all these things. Really? Now you can do it yourself under 5 minutes. Next thing, privacy. It is still very much important to pay attention to the user's privacy. So these days, buying an email list is definitely something strange and even a criminal activity. So you're going to mind the laws. So for MarTech stack, it means 3 things. First of all, getting users' data is becoming more and more difficult, but still there are solutions. Definitely customers expect a particular guarantee from service about their data privacy. Also, marketing specialists abandon the idea to get more and more contact details from a potential customer, like for example a credit card before signing up to a trial period. And finally, there is still consumer growth for personalization, which is kind of strange, especially after speaking about the privacy and user data. But anyways, customers want the personalized communication. So 76% of the customers get frustrated once they don't find the personalization. So marketers have to mind the balance between customer experience and personalization, and also keeping the balance on the privacy. So this means there is an increasing demand in triggered emails and artificial intelligence technologies. So now you have a clear vision on how to choose your MarTech stack for the upcoming year of 2023. That is the basis for the technologies your team is going to use next year. Next is time to choose the best product. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about the top tools for your marketing funnel. Subscribe not to miss it. See you!